You're gonna love the 2018 Lincoln MKX. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, active suspension, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.